The spirit of Fort Myers is a statue of a Grecian maiden welcoming people to the Edison Park community in downtown Fort Myers. Located along MacGregor Boulevard, she's been a local celebrity for almost 100 years. Although badly damaged by Hurricane Ian in September of 2022, she remains a visible reminder of the area's resilient spirit. Recently, the community came together to help restore this icon to her original glory.
This is really the heart and soul of the city. It's a small monument, but it's probably the most significant piece because the Edisons, the Fords, the Firestones, they were all involved in its creation. The German sculptor was brought in specially. Mrs. Edison kind of helped the design piece. So it really is. It means a lot to our community, and I have to say the hurricane hurt us badly. She's given us hope, and now we're seeing her reborn, bigger, better than ever.
We were called in to do restoration work to put her back together and get her looking as good as new. Rachel was damaged in Hurricane Ian. The fence that was behind the sculpture came down on top of the sculpture and essentially broke her in half at the waist. She is a cast concrete sculpture. Originally she would have been a hollow cast concrete. There have been repairs over the years which have filled in some of those voids, but not all of them. And then we've been working with an engineer here out of Fort Myers. They helped design a pin system that will keep her standing for the next storm. She should be solid now.